By now you would have guessed my disappointment, and right now I am looking at Infosys results, and they are fairly disappointing number to me. And this is disappointment by and large from every quarter. There are few saving graces from where they have talked about, they have maintained their revenue guidance above 10, in double digits for next quarter. But if we look at the data point of this financial year which they have posted, what can I tell you? The operating margin, which is very important, has come down to 24.5, an increase of YOY, but the decline of quarter on quarter, which is 0.9. So it is a huge decline. In last quarter we have seen their operating margin were about 25.4, I think so, and now it has come down. And what can I tell you more, because I'm sure pretty much that you would have seen these data points. I don't want to repeat these data points. You all are experts. What you want to hear is what will happen tomorrow. That is what matters. Now there is a catch. We cannot have a simple judgment or assessment what will happen tomorrow. I'm not going into these numbers. I'm pretty sure you are you have gone through it many a times so far, just since it is published about 1 hour ago. But on the question of what happens tomorrow, there is a catch, and that catch is here. What they have done is they have allocated about 9,200 crore for share buyback. Okay, and also they have allocated about 15 rupees per share the dividend. Why they have done so? Please understand, when they pay dividend to their existing shareholder, that money goes into the dividends account. Okay, and it has no impact on the stock. It's a good thing or good gesture, but it has very little impact on this stock movement. But with this, with 9,200 crore rupees share buyback plan at a premium of 1750, let us see the price of Infosys right now, 1402. So they are buying shares from market at 1750, subject to the approvals. So with this, what they are doing is, in a way, they are trying to boost the confidence of the market by infusing about 9,000 crore directly in their own shares. So if anybody want to sell it tomorrow, they will have no reason to sell it, because the share is ultimately can be bought by the company itself at a fairly premium rate. So tomorrow you will not be seeing a drastic fall because of this. However, if you don't look at just tomorrow's numbers, what this shows us is next 3 quarters can be little challenging, though they have said that they have some good large deals. If I looked at it somewhere, and they also are good in terms of digital revenue here. They are their digital revenue, that means their digital revenue from cloud, digital transformations, into AI, the new business model, new technology areas, whatever are available, are called are considered in digital revenue. So this has achieved a very good percentage in their overall revenues, which is 51.5. This area commands good margins at the moment, so it's a good thing for the company. And if I look at it more closely, if I could find the operating margins for next year, will be in 22 to 24%, decent number there. This is revenue guidance is very good number there for the next quarter. Okay, so tomorrow you will not see much movement. In fact, share price can grow. I would not be surprised if that happens because of their share buyback plan. So on the one hand, they are giving some of the shareholders or all of the shareholders this 15 rupees share per share, and on the other hand, they are also making sure that the stock does not fall down, and they are buying it at a higher level. This will give a little bit of respite to the investors. But let's come to this point, why this disappointment today and why we are disappointed. This story began 25 days ago, and I have explained in my other videos what happened in last 25 days since the Accenture results were posted. Accenture posted one of the best, in fact bumper results in their Q2 financial year 21. So they are still in the Q2 financial year 21 while we are in Q4 financial year 21. They posted one of the best results, best deal book, and also very good operating margins and net profit. Okay, that gave a very good that set the expectations of the market that Indian market will definitely be doing very well. It has not happened so far. This will have a ripple effect on many other stocks. So tomorrow, if you are interested how the stock reacts, Infosys stock reacts in reality, look at other stocks. For example, Wipro will be falling for sure. HCL Tech, it will be falling. And then you will have other name TCS, which has already fallen about 4% yesterday. So you will see a further fall in TCS tomorrow. Likewise, there are smaller players which will even have bigger fall like Coforge or NIIT. And if there are other names, other smaller names, maybe L&T, Infotech, and all these names, so they will fall even bigger. So Infosys might or may well be able to prevent the fall, but other stocks will reflect that, because all the stocks in 2021 has grown up considerably 10%, while the stocks in general has fallen down, or the volatility has caused a damage to lot of valuations. But IT was quite resilient, they performed exceedingly well. Now the after effect of these two results, TCS as well as Infosys result, will be quite severe and they will fall for sure. So let us see what happens tomorrow. And if you are invested, I can only say best of luck, because you are already, if you are invested in, let's say, Infosys, probably you are safe. But if you are invested in TCS and other similar names like HCL, Wipro, probably you are under some risk or short-term risk, I would say. In the long run, these companies are very good, they will always recover. But in the current times, with COVID cases rising and companies posting not as promising results, that means there is a fall definitely there. So I stop. I look forward to your comments. What do you think tomorrow and how it happens? Let's see. So till that time, take care, stay connected, and have a good day.